Have you ever stopped to think about the way women over 50 are portrayed in the media and treated by society?
We're bombarded with messages telling us we need to look younger, dress younger, and act younger.
But why should we? Why can't we embrace our age and all the wonderful experiences that come with it?
It's time to challenge these ageist attitudes and celebrate our age and aging.
Let's start with the media. Have you noticed how women over 50 are often depicted as irrelevant or unimportant?
They're either invisible or portrayed as stereotypes like the crazy cat lady, the strict grandmother, or the desperate divorcee.
And then there's the obsession with youth and beauty. We're told to hide our wrinkles, cover our gray hair, and wear clothes that make us look younger.
But why? Why can't we celebrate our wrinkles, our gray hair, and our unique style?
It's time to challenge these messages and celebrate the beauty of aging.
And it's not just the media. Society has its own expectations of women over 50. It's like society wants us to look younger and erase any signs of aging.
We're expected to dress a certain way, behave a certain way, and be invisible.
But we're not invisible, and we have a lot to offer. We have wisdom, experience, and a unique perspective on life.
And yet, society still judges us based on our appearance and age.
This has damaging effects on body image and self-esteem in women over 50 during a time when we should be embracing a life of success, being proud of all that we've achieved, being role models, sharing our wisdom gained from our experiences, indulging in more experiences, and aging in a positive way.
It's time to challenge these ageist attitudes and celebrate the beauty and power of aging.
And we need to stop judging ourselves and others based on their age or appearance. We need to embrace our age and all the wonderful things that come with it.
Let's celebrate our wrinkles, our gray hair, and our unique style.
It's time for society to recognize and appreciate the value of women over 50.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, click the like button, and even comment below. See you in the next video.